Hey everybody, it is Dr. Mac here with your daily update number 8 in EDU 522. And today I want to talk a little bit about postkines. You can find how to install postkines in our tutorial channel already, but I'm noticing some misclassification of posts and what that means, and I also want to describe the titles. So as a quick overview, let's just go look at the different postkines options that we have. Under Dashboard, I can click on IndieWeb, and then I can go to Postkines. Here are all the different options that you may have. And then you can choose which is your default postkind. I select Note. And you can decide if you want to show an icon next to the before the kind in your view. Alright, so those are how you select them, and that's what we went over in your tutorial. Now, when you're doing a new post, this is what you need to decide. Are you doing a quote? And here's the thing we talked about with the quote postkines. The quote kind, it shouldn't be about the entire source, but your blurb, your excerpt, it should be a reflection on that specific quote. So, for example, if I had to quote this, quote on this page, much older roots in literature of teaching and learning, Tanis identified a reference in 1979. So if I want to actually quote specifically that, I could highlight that. All right. And well, I'm going to grab this link. I'm going to go back to my postkind. I'm going to select a quote. Since I'm writing specifically about a quote, I can then paste in the URL here. I can click on my details. And down here it says the summary of the quote. Now I don't want that summary quote. So I can then go find the quote that I wanted to grab, which is this one. And drop in here. Because I'm writing about a quote, I need to, my reflection, it's not about that source, it's about the quote. So I could write and then I will add my tags that I want, or my categories that I want, and I can tag it if I wanted to as well. So I can do whatever I want, and I'm ready to publish. So that is how the quote postkind works. If you wanted to do, now notice that I did not add a title. The post quote kinds don't have a title. If you wanted to do a bookmark postkind, I could bookmark a site so on this site I want to then I found this website, it's a good one, I want to bookmark it for later or to show other people. So I can go here, I've selected bookmark, I can add in my URL there that will bookmark it. Okay, now I can then add in my great collection of open pedagogy. And then I can then hit publish. And that's a bookmark postkind. And that's it. So that's how you set up the different formats of postkinds in WordPress.